Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, come explore.
It was Saturday when we were in Marseille, and of course there are protests or marches, but this one was a positive one. This was Marseille's March for Jesus. Well, in Marseille for our second time, we've gone off the ship just so leisurely go downtown and try to get a nice luncheon.
I'm going to have my clams, my mussels, Mussels Provençale. Très bon. The beginning and the end. Wow, that was good. Magnifique.
And of course, after any meal, we're doing a pasta or gelato. And after a short stop in Marseille for lunch and gelato, we started back and headed to the ship.
It's going to be a long way to get to the shuttle.
As we left the harbor, we went by Fort Shuttle. It sits at the harbor entrance and it dates back to the 12th century. The Hospitaliers of St. John built the first parts under Louis XIV, and he later expanded it with the heavy walls.
Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you for watching, and as always, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!